McKenna, smile.
McKenna.
Look at your...
1, 2, 3.
We're taking a video, but we're going sideways. There's your mitten. Cool hat. Say thanks, Grammy. All done. Ooh, nice spiky hair. Want some help putting that on?
Sure.
Balancing the camera on the knee. There you go. Oh, we missed your thumb. There, we got it. You want your hat?
Yeah.
Let's see the cutest baby in the world. Nice. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Say hi.
I can barely see your eyes. You're so cute.